I am obsessed with this ottoman. It is the perfect size. It's actually a 26-inch ottoman, so it's not like a small wimpy one that you see. It's really massive, comfortable. You can use it as a stool, you can use it as storage, which I'll show you in a second, or just like your classic ottoman. It is so comfortable. I have the green color. It is nice and soft, nice and squishy because it has like, I think, a little foam piece on the inside. When you open it up, this is the inside. I'm planning on, I think, putting some blankets in there. We have a bunch of like extra blankets just laying around, so I think I'll put some in there, and then let me show you what it looks like with the top flipped over. Okay, this is what it looks like flipped over, which is super convenient because you can use it as like a little coffee table, since it's like a hard surface. So we actually have taken this to our other couch downstairs and use it as like a game table when we sit on the floor, since we don't have a table down there. But so convenient, really good quality. They have a couple different color options. I love this green. It like pairs really well with just like a neutral color chair, and gives you the perfect like pop of color. And then it has the wooden legs as well. My husband put it together. It took him, I don't know, a couple minutes maybe, because it was super simple to assemble. But I love the versatility of it. I love the quality. The brand actually sent it to me, and I was super excited. I have been looking for an ottoman for this chair right here, and I love that this one is also storage and a little side table or table as needed. So super happy with the find.